Jeff's Locksmith at 2377 Arden Way. Open 9 to 5 Monday through Friday and every first and third Saturday. Nice little showroom. Dispatch office. Technician cutting keys. Very comfortable. Sell Medeco high security locks. We sell padlocks. We sell gun safes. We sell home safes, depository safes, wall safes, and more. We got a huge array of keys on the wall. About any key that you can possibly imagine, we can cut it. We have modern key machines, high security machines, laser cutters, clone duplicators. Have a showroom full of things. It's very comfortable. Come by and check us out. 2377 Arden Way.